Welcome to the English virtual classes. Today we will start with Unit 2 Nature Cares lesson Meenu and Dino. Page number 40. But before starting this lesson, I want to ask you something. Have you ever visited the museum? If yes, then it's good. If you have not visited, then don't worry. Today we will talk about the museum. In the museum, you can see many old things like coins, books, old stamps, paintings, and fossils, and many more things. Children, fossils are remains of animals and plants. Now, watch this video carefully to understand how fossils are formed. Before listening the story, first of all, complete exercise C1. Here you have to write 5 things which you have seen in the museum. First is old paintings, second ancient tools, third ancient coins, fourth old utensils, number 5 fossils. Now I am going to read the story. Listen it carefully. Lesson Meenu and Dino. Meenu, a 10-year-old girl, goes to see a museum. There are many strange things in the museum. Many things are kept in the glass boxes with labels. Meenu reads the labels one by one. As she is moving around, she sees a dinosaur on a table. She goes near the table and admires the big animal. It had a huge body, long neck, and twinkling eyes. Meenu finds its eyes very attractive. Suddenly, the dinosaur starts speaking. Dino, hello Meenu, I am Dino the dinosaur. How are you? Meenu can't believe her ears. She feels very scared and tries to run away. But Dino calls her back. Dino, don't be afraid of me. I am your friend. Don't you want to talk to me? Meenu comes near the dinosaur hesitatingly. Dino, I love children. They are very nice. They do not harm anyone. Meenu, but I have heard you harm others. That's why you are kept here and not allowed to roam about. Dino, no Meenu. When we lived on the earth, we didn't harm anyone. We just wanted to live peacefully like other animals. Meenu, then why are you kept here? Where are your mama, papa, and friends? Dino, we used to live on the earth thousands of years ago, but many atmospheric changes pushed our species to extinction, which means none of my family or species is found on this planet anymore. Meenu, oh, that is so sad. Couldn't we, means the humans, do anything to save you? Dino, no. Meenu, we disappeared from the earth long before humans arrived. But you can save many other species from extinction. Meenu, really? How? Dino, let me explain it to you. You see, man and other animals share this beautiful earth. They have been doing so for a long time. Once there was enough of everything, enough food and water, enough forest, cover and grassy plants. But slowly the number of people grew, their needs too grew, so they started cutting trees and killing animals. Today there is very little space left for some animals. Now, page number 42. The bird dodo has already disappeared from the earth. Many more species of animals are endangered. and may also disappear in a few years. Pandas, gorillas, grizzly bears, elephants, tigers, and copper butterfly are all endangered animals. Meenu, that's really sad. What can we do to save those animals? Dino, man must stop cutting forests and killing animals. Meenu, but why do we kill animals? Dino, to get leather, oil, medicines, or maybe just for fun. Meenu, that's pity. I will tell all my friends not to harm animals, otherwise, there will be more animals in museums than in forests. Now, the chapter is over, and I am going to tell you the summary of this chapter. This is the story of Meenu and Dino. Dino suggests many things, that man must stop cutting forests and killing animals. Then only very less animals are left on the earth. Otherwise, animals will be extinct very soon. So, we should get all these things in our mind, that we should not cut forests and we should not kill animals. And one more thing you have to remember, that we are killing animals to get leather, oil, medicines, or maybe just for fun. This is bad. We should not do that. We should save animals. I hope you understand this lesson. Today, your homework is read lesson Meenu and Dino. Thank you and have a nice day.